Welcome back to the Print 3D channel. Today is February 26th, and that means day 57 of the 3DP 365 project. And on today's episode, we're going to show you how we printed out this cute little pig, so stick around. Welcome back, and thank you for joining me here for day 57 of the 3DP 365 project. If you're unfamiliar with the project, check out the description below. I put a fact section down at the bottom that'll give you all the details. And don't forget to check out that MatterHackers affiliate link. If you're in the market for a new printer, some printer parts, or even some filament, use that link and it kicks a little bit back to the channel. It doesn't cost you a thing, and we really appreciate it. But for today's episode, we printed out this cute little pig. And for this print, we used MatterHackers PRO PLA in the color of Magenta on our all-new gMax 1.5 XT+. Since that Pokemon Bulbasaur we printed yesterday looks so awesome, I wanted to print something else with this Magenta filament from MatterHackers. So doing a quick search up on Thingiverse, I found this cute little pig model. And our print turned out pretty awesome, and I'm really anxious to show you the results. So let's head over to Thingiverse and I'll show you where to download the model. Then we'll tab over to Simplify 3D and I'll show you my settings for this print. Then we'll fire up some of that time-lapse footage and I'll meet you guys back here at the workbench. Okay, so here we are at Thingiverse. Here is the cute pig model by aliendagwood, and I'll put the link down in the description so you can download and print this one yourself. And this is a very, very cute little model, and it is a work in progress, so if you have comments, if you do decide to print this, just leave them in the comment section and I'm sure the artist will address them. So let's tab over to Simplify 3D and I'll show you my settings for this print. Okay, so here we are in Simplify 3D, and I've dropped the model down on the print bed at 100%, and that's the scale we're going to print this at, so let me show you my process settings. Under layer height, we did a 0.2mm layer height with 3 top and 3 bottom solid layers and 3 perimeters. We also ran a skirt at 8mm from the object at 4 outlines. For infill, we only used 10% for this little model, and we didn't generate any support material. For temperature, this is MatterHackers PRO PLA, so my temperatures are 207 and 209. And under cooling, we have our 3-stage cooling system set up. And under speed, we ran this out at 50 millimeters per second. So let's hit OK. And let's hit Prepare to Print, and I'll show you how it's sliced. Okay, so there's our finished sliced model, and this is very cool. So let me play this through for you. And we can speed this one up. And there's a lot of little detail on this model, and the gMax did a really amazing job of picking up all that detail. So let's fire up some of that time-lapse footage, and I'll meet you guys back over at the workbench and we'll talk about the print. Okay, so that was a cool little bit of time-lapse footage, and here is our cute little pig. And I'll put some close-ups in at the end like I normally do, but this guy turned out awesome. The artist did a really good job of depicting this cute little pig laying down on the ground. All the little detail is here, his cute little face, his little tail is there, his little feet, everything turned out awesome. There is a little issue here on the ears and on the slope here, which is I think a little bit too steep for 3D printing. I don't know if you can see that there, I hope it focuses on there. But that might just need to be adjusted just a little bit because my filament kind of air printed on those curves. But other than that, I think this print turned out awesome. This MatterHackers PRO PLA in the color of Magenta was the perfect choice for our cute little pig. And of course my gMax did an amazing job of picking up all the detail. Well, that about wraps it up for day 57 of the 3DP 365 project. I hope you found this episode interesting and informative. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share those videos. And join me again tomorrow on the very next episode of the 3DP 365 project. This guy turned out pretty awesome. I am really happy with my gMax print quality.